So good morning, Avnish. How are you doing today?
Good.
All right. So we are going to start with the second session of this chapter.
Okay.
It is we have done the first session before. Can you tell everyone which chapter are we studying today?
We are studying is living things and not living things.
Very good. So we have done the 10 questions of this chapter before, and now we are going to continue with the next 10 questions. All right. So let us start. First and foremost, let me just delete these drawings here, which are created by our own Avnish. And Avnish, we will go question by question here.
Okay.
All right. So let's see the first question. It says match the following. I hope it is clear to you. I'll just increase it in size a little bit.
It's doing it.
Okay. So now it says match the column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option.
Okay.
So Avnish, let's see how we can go with such questions. Okay. You don't need to panic. The question looks a little tricky and everything, but we will go step by step.
Yeah.
So first we have here is air. Let me use another color pen. So I have air here. What can I match the air with? Let us just see. What do you think we can match the air with?
Okay. Let's just.
Yes,
see.
tell me. You tell me, please. What do you think you can match the air with?
Books. No.
No.
I think so.
Yes. Please take a guess. Take a wild guess. What do you think you can match air to?
Cat.
Cat. Okay. Do you think we can match the air to cat? Let us take a look again and select the correct options. See, the first option is saying A3. A3 and 6. Okay, so which means that air is being matched with soil and a rubber band. Okay. And the second, here it is saying B is being matched with 2 and 4, which means chair is being matched with 2 and 4. That is butterfly.
Okay.
And can you tell me what is on number 4?
I know. It is number 4. Let me just check. Soil.
Number 4 is, what is number 4 here?
Cat.
Very good. Okay, and then C is being matched with 1 and 5, which is C here, which is frog. Okay, so we are going to match frog with number 1. Number 1 is book, and number 5 is cloud.
Yes.
All right. Now we are saying to, when we talk about match, we are supposed to match it with the same category. All right.
Okay.
So air and soil are natural things.
Yes.
Okay, rubber band is not natural. Right. So this match doesn't seem to be correct at all.
Yes.
So we don't need to even go into the other options. Okay. So this answer is not the correct answer.
But you are rubbing the.
We are going to first rub this. Just give me a second here. Let me just rub everything here.
Okay.
All right. Coming back to our work. Yeah. Jen, now we are only going to see the first options. First options of all of them. Can you tell me what is option A?
A is books.
Option A from here, my dear.
Oh, air.
It is air. Very good. And they are trying to match the air with number 1 and number 5. Okay, you can see from here also if you want.
No, it's okay.
That's okay.
Number 5 and number 2. Or
Number A is being matched with 1 and 5. What is 1, beta? What is 1?
1 is books.
Book. And number 5 is?
I know. It is clouds.
Cloud. Now again, if you see what is air, air is a?
Air is air.
Air is air. I know. Air is air. Excellent. But is it man-made or natural?
Natural.
Natural. Cloud is?
Natural.
What about book?
Book.
Man-made.
Man-made.
Absolutely right. Be confident. You're giving me the right answer. Be confident there. All right. So this is correct. So this match was also not working because one option was man-made and the other two were natural. Let's check with the third option here.
We want the same ones.
Yes, because that is exactly what match the following means.
Okay.
So let's start here now. Option A is air and it is going to be matched with 2 and 4. What is option number 2, my dear?
Butterfly and 2 and 4. Yes.
And cat. Right. So now let's see what are these 3 options and how they can be interrelated. What is air? Air is it living or non-living?
Air. It is not living.
Air is non-living. Very good. Fantastic. It is non-living and also at the same time it is natural, right?
But butterfly is
Yes.
natural and cat is natural.
Butterfly is okay. Butterfly is basically living thing. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. All the living things are anyway natural.
Cat.
Okay. Yeah. But air is what? Living or non-living?
Not living.
Non-living. So this is also not matching.
No.
So let's go to the next one now. The last option here. A is air. Air is being matched with soil,
Yes.
and the fifth option being cloud.
A cloud.
So do you think that all these three options are natural options?
Let's check. Air is not a living thing. Yes.
Air is not a living thing, correct? Soil
Soil is not living thing.
and
And cloud is not living thing.
non-living thing. So they all seem to match with each other.
Yes.
And do you think they are all natural?
No.
Air is natural or no?
No.
Okay. So air is man-made?
No.
So air is natural.
Yes, natural is natural.
Air is natural. Air is natural, soil is natural, and cloud is also
Natural.
natural. So it seems like option D is the
Correct, natural.
correct option. So there are two things that we learned here, Avnish. One being is that to make your things easy, you can first check the first options only. You don't need to check all the match the following because then it will be, you will take a lot of time in the exam. It is better to go for first match the following and then
The second one.
yeah, and then you can just see whether the remaining are also correct. So we can also, just to double check our work, we can see here whether B and C options are also correct or no. Those of you who are watching this video, this is the second video that we are doing. So we have already done one basic video where we have explained in detail what was living things, non-living things, natural things and man-made things. Avnish, would you like to throw some light on what are the two types of things?
Not living things
Mm-hmm.
and living things.
All right. So again, things are divided into two, which is living things and non-living things. And non-living things are further divided into two categories.
Yes.
Which are the two categories? Can you give me the? Can you tell me?
The two then.
Yes. Non-living things are divided into which two categories?
Natural things and man-made things.
Very good. Can you give me one example of natural things?
Natural things, soil.
Yes. Yes.
And two, yes, or one.
Any examples?
Let me see. Cloud,
Yes. Air, rock,
air, rock,
water,
water,
and man-made things will be
house,
yeah.
car, everything.
Everything. And do you think the living things can be man-made? No. Living things can only be natural.
Yes.
All the living things are
Natural.
natural. Alright, so just students keep this in mind that all the living things are always natural. However, non-living things can be of two types, man-made or natural. So whenever they give you any living or non-living things example, first of all, you need to categorize in your mind whether that living thing is, whether that thing itself is living or non-living. Once you have identified that, then identify if it's non-living, then you have to further think whether it is natural or man-made. Because this is the type of demarcation that they will give. This is all explained in detail in the previous video if you have seen, where we have shown question number 1 to 10. Let's go to question number 12 now. Can you please read the question, Mickey?
Look at the giving
Classification.
classification tables. Select the option that
Correctly
correctly
identifies
identifies the headings X and Y.
Okay. So can you explain to me what the question is about?
A question.
What are they asking you? That there is a table.
Yes.
Okay, and they are saying select the option that correctly identifies the headings X and Y. Okay.
Okay.
So what they are saying is we need to find out which type of things are there in X and which type of things are there in Y.
Okay.
So first and foremost rule is whenever they talk about things, we have to think in this format: living things and non-living things. All right. So let us see if I can categorize it in this way in my mind.
Okay.
So what do you think the rose plant is, Avnish?
A rose plant.
Yeah.
It is a living thing.
Very good. It is living. Duck
Duck is, I think so, is living thing.
and fish.
Fish is living thing.
All right. Notebook.
Notebook is not a living thing.
All right. Rubber band.
No.
And house.
House. House is a man-made thing.
Man-made thing, or we can say it is a non-living thing. Definitely it is a non-living thing, right? So we can easily classify this. So can you please circle the answer for us here?
Circle.
Yes, you have to just circle. Which option do you think is the right option? Option A, option B, or option C, or option D?
I think so. Both A and B.
Both A and B. Alright, let me see how come you are telling that option B is the answer. See, all these things are living and all these things are non-living. Am I right?
Yes.
So where do you find this type of categorization that X is showing living and Y is showing non-living? Any option is there? A option, B option, C option, or D option?
I don't know.
I think you can see which option is saying that in X there is living things and Y there is non-living things.
Oh,
Let's see option by option. Alright? Let's see option C.
I can see man-made things and the not living things.
See here. This is option number C.
Okay.
Okay. So
Oh.
this is saying things once live and things never live.
Yes.
Well, this is not even a type of category that I have that we have learned, right?
This is not.
So let's just cross it. What about this? Natural things and man-made things. Let's see this now.
Natural thing and man-made thing.
Yeah. Do you think this is a correct category?
No.
Well, this is a correct category. That is true. But these are natural things, definitely. These are man-made things also. We can go with this category. But can natural things also be non-living?
Natural things can be.
Do you think so? Do you think natural thing can be non-living?
I think so.
Yes. Can you tell me of any one particular thing which is non-living natural?
Not living.
Mhm.
Rock.
Very good. So, natural things could be living, could be non-living. I don't know. Am I right?
Yes.
So, do you think rose plant is 100% living, duck is 100% living, and fish is 100% living? So, there is no chance that we have any confusion whether this is a non-living item or no. Am I right?
No.
These are all living.
Yes.
So, can I go for option number B? Because option number B is saying this is natural things.
Okay.
But I am telling you that natural things can be living and can be non-living both.
Both.
Yeah.
Huh.
But here I am only talking about living things.
Only.
Yes. So can I say that these three things are natural things?
I think no, it's not.
What about the A option? A option is clearly saying that X is living things and Y is non-living things. Do you agree?
Yes,
Do you agree?
Yes, I will.
You agree with this? Let me just see here. So you are also agreeing with the option that this is living, living, and non-living, non-living. Did you understand why option number B was not the answer?
Why?
Why do you think option number B is not the
That's
answer?
why natural things are both.
It could be both. It could be living and
Not living things.
non-living things. Alright, but here what are we talking about?
Only we want one option.
Mhm.
Yes.
But, okay, see,
What?
the thing here is we have a fourth option as well. Let's go to the fourth option also.
Both A and B.
Both A and B, they are giving you this answer as well. So now which one do you think is the answer? Because see, if you see, these are all natural things, which is true.
The B is the wrong answer.
Are you sure? Let's think again. These are all natural things
Yes.
and these are all man-made things. Am I right or wrong? First you tell me.
Correct.
Correct or wrong?
Correct.
Because all natural things are living things. Correct?
Mm.
So obviously I am fitting in the B category also. My answer fits in the B category also.
Yes.
Let's see the A category. A
Yes,
category
B is correct.
B is correct.
Correct.
And A category was saying that this is living things and this is non-living things. So do you think A category is also correct?
Yes.
So what option will you choose? A, B or D?
D.
B. D is the right option. So students, you have to be very careful. The questions in Olympiad can be very tricky. For a moment there, I also thought that option B will not be the answer. But looking at it very carefully, when they have given an option D, which says both A and B, so our answer falls in the category of D option. Avnish, you have to be very careful with the choices that you make in the in your Olympiad paper. Thank you very much. Can you go to the next question now?
Oh yes. Let's go.
Can you please read the question for me?
Okay. Ravi
Circled.
circled the old memories in the following 4 groups, but made one mistake. Find out the group in which he
So encircled.
encircled the incorrect memory.
Incorrect member.
So we need to find the incorrect member.
Would you like to explain the question for us and take us through the answer? Start explaining. Think how you will think in the exam. Those of you are new to this video, we are doing grade 1 Science Olympiad session 2. Session 1 is already recorded in the old video. You can follow the channel of Avnish Sahani, and we have the video recordings there. Yes.
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, this answer, let's try to analyze the answer. Let's try to think. Okay.
Let's check.
Ravi circled the odd member in the following 4 groups.
Yes.
What are they trying to say here? That they have circled the odd member.
The
Odd one out.
Yes. odd
Okay,
one.
there's something which is different. Okay, but he made one mistake.
What?
Now you are going to be a teacher and check where he is wrong.
Okay.
So let's start checking. Check the option A, please.
Tree, road,
Yeah, mountain.
mountain, car.
Tree, road, mountain, and car. What do you think?
I think it's correct. I don't know. I think it's wrong. It's correct.
All right. Tree, road, mountain, car. Let's analyze here. Odd one out. We have to.
One by one.
Yeah, we will check one by one. What is road? Living or non-living?
Not even.
Non-living.
But
mountain.
But it
Mountain is?
But it
Yes.
is man-made.
Road.
Yes.
Yes, that's right. Mountain is
Mountain is not living.
non-living thing. Car is,
Not living.
but tree is
Correct. So
living
that
thing.
it is living.
So you can put one tick there. Here, take this and put one tick near anywhere. Yeah, okay. So he's trying his hand first time on the digital board. All right, that's great. So this is correct. Let's check the next one. Elephant.
Okay. Elephant, pumpkin, plant,
Hmm.
wood, dog.
Okay, so what do you
Elephant
think?
is the
Living.
living thing,
All right.
and pumpkin is not a living.
Pumpkin plant.
Plant is a living thing.
Okay.
Wood is not a living thing. But dog is a living thing.
Dog is a living thing. So did he? This is a living thing. This is a living thing. This is a non-living thing.
No.
Pumpkin plant.
Oh, pumpkin plant.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is correct.
And wood is a non-living thing, and dog is a living thing. So
There's 3 options is correct.
did he mark the odd one out here?
I think so. No, he's not.
He did not. So which should be the odd one out here?
Let's check in the next one. Air, water, soil, chair.
What is air?
Air is not living thing.
Non-living thing. Okay. Water,
Not living thing.
soil,
Not living thing.
chair.
Not living thing.
Okay. So air is non-living thing, natural or man-made?
Natural.
Water,
Natural.
soil,
Natural.
chair,
Chair. Chair is made it, yes?
man-made.
Man-made.
So he has done this correctly. Let's look into this one now.
Soil, book, aeroplane, fan.
Okay. So
Soil is a...
all these are non-living things. Okay.
No.
Yeah, they're all non-living things. But this one is what?
Soil.
Man-made or natural?
Natural.
Okay, this one?
It is natural.
Book-
No. Book
book
is
is
man-made.
Man-made. Aeroplane
Airplane is man-made.
and fan.
Fan is man-made.
So obviously soil is correct, odd one out now, because this is natural, non-living and natural. What about this?
What's one?
Elephant is living, pumpkin plant is living, wood is non-living,
Hmm.
and dog is living. Which one should be the odd one out here?
The D one.
D1. Okay, how can you explain how?
that the soil is the not living thing.
See. The question says that you need to mark the odd one out.
Yes.
Okay, Abneesh.
Yes.
Odd one out means it is different. Okay. See now, here which is the odd one out? Non-living man-made, non-living man-made, non-living man-made, non-living natural. So
This is
soil is, it's correct. Soil is the odd one out.
Okay.
Isn't it?
Yes.
So here we are correct. Here we are correct. Here we are correct. So where are we wrong? Where is Ravi wrong?
I think so. It's the B one.
Why? Which option do you think he should have marked and he did not mark? You are correct. Ravi is wrong. Ravi has done option B wrong,
Yes.
which is incorrect. It is the correct answer. But tell me, what should be the right answer? See, let's see here very clearly. He has written elephant.
Yes.
Okay, then he wrote pumpkin plant.
Yes.
Then he has written wood.
Yes.
And then he has finally written dog.
Dog.
Okay, so let us see now. This is living thing.
Yes.
This is living thing. This is
Not
what?
living thing.
Non-living thing. And this is living thing. So which one is the odd one out here?
Wood? No. Wood.
Yes. So actually Ravi should have marked here wood, but he marked here dog. That's why option B is your answer. Because they are asking find out the group in which he encircled the incorrect member. Understand?
Yes. Understand.
Let's go to the next solution. Next set of questions.
Great.
Are you enjoying this?
Yes.
You having fun?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's see.
This is something that you really love. It's an experiment. So let's talk about this experiment.
Wow. Is it an ant or something?
Mhm.
Okay.
Mm.
After to
Refer to the
refer to the giving
experiment.
and one died before and two. What was the most like reasons?
What was the most likely reason? See, what they are showing is there is one ant here, ant 1, and this is an ant 2. So what are they asking, Avnish? Can you explain?
And one died before and two.
Can you tell me any reason? Can you see something special?
Yeah.
Can you?
Like and one died
Ant 1 died. I know. Ant
before two.
1. I know that one. So
I don't know.
So you don't know? Can you think of something? Why do you think ant 1 died before ant 2?
It didn't not get air.
Okay, but ant 1 did not get any air.
Yes.
Yeah, that's right. But ant 2 is also in a glass bottle, isn't it?
What?
Ant 1 is in the glass bottle,
Yes.
and there is one closed cork here. Okay?
But it's closed.
It's closed. What about ant 2?
Two. And it's open.
It's open, right? So there is a small opening. You have exactly said the correct reason. So can you guess the answer? You are right. Can you read the options?
Option.
Yes, please.
It did not get air.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And it did not get food.
Okay.
It did not get water.
Mhm.
It didn't not get both food and water.
Whatever you have told, that answer was correct about air. So what do you think is the right option here? Option A, option B, option C, or option D?
I can't know. I think air.
Yes. So which option do you think is the right option?
Air.
That is option A. Yes. Absolutely right, Avnish. Very good. Well said. Well thought. The answer is perfectly correct. That you initially said that the ant did not get any air, because of which ant 1 died. Ant 2 is also in a bottle, but you can see that there is some opening. Am I right? So the air is coming through here.
I can see there is one line over there.
Yes, there is some line over there. So obviously air is needed by all the living things to breathe, and that's why ant 1 died before ant 2. Okay, let's go to the next question and just see here.
Okay, let's see. Now I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Match
Column 1.
column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option, column 1.
All right. I think this you can do on your own. You don't need my help here. Go ahead and start writing the correct options or match the following, please. Do the match the following.
Okay. On it down. Natural things that was nice, alive.
Let's start with A, na? Let's start with option A. Can you read this?
Not living things cannot move. That is correct. Not living things cannot move
on its own. That's true. That's true. Non-living things cannot move on its own. So that's fine. Then what are they saying? Natural thing that was once alive. All right.
Okay.
And then they are saying, what is the last thing that they are saying?
Last thing. What is it?
Natural
thing. Where are you?
I'm trying. You have to read this. Natural.
Natural things that was never alive.
That was never alive. Okay. So they are saying non-living thing that cannot move on its own.
That was correct.
Okay. And then here they are talking about two natural things.
Natural things.
Okay. Perfect. So my first question to you is that which is the non-living thing here that they are talking about? Okay. Can you point out two natural things from here?
Okay. Point out.
Yeah. Can tell me which is the natural thing? Water is natural.
Okay. Water. Let's see water.
See, Mickey, Avnish. They are giving you three options. Sorry.
What did you do?
I just reduced it. Let me just increase the size there. So sorry, children. So sorry. Alright. So as I was saying, the three things that are given to you are... Why is this happening?
I don't know.
Okay.
Let's check a little bit.
Okay. The three things that are given to you is water, wood and rock. Okay?
Yes.
Water, wood and rock.
Yes.
Now, here they are talking about what?
Not living things cannot move.
Cannot move on its
on their own.
Okay, and then here they are talking natural thing, and here also they are talking about
natural thing.
Natural thing that was once alive.
Yes.
And natural thing that was never alive. So let's have a look here. Which is the non-living thing here out of three of them? All three are non-living? All three of them are non-living? This is non-living?
Yes.
What about this? Wood?
No.
Wood is living?
No.
Wood is non-living. Rock?
Yes.
Non-living. This is natural or no?
Natural? Yes.
Yes. This is natural. This one? Wood is?
I can't tell you.
What do you think? Wood is what? Wood comes from?
Wood? One pieces.
Pieces. Wood comes from what? Where does the paper wood comes from?
In one
tree. Okay. So it is not growing somewhere. Wood is natural thing, but it is what?
Yes.
Man-made.
Yes.
Okay.
So
okay. What about this rock? Rock is non-living?
Not living.
Non-living, natural or man-made?
Natural.
Natural. Very good. Okay.
So
now
what?
Let's see A1. Okay, let's see here the first option. Whenever they give you match the following, you should always check with the first option. A is matched to 1. A is a non-living thing. Which non-living thing is there, Avnish? That is that cannot move on its own.
Yes.
Which one do you think would that be? That cannot move on its own.
The first one. The first one.
The first one, water.
No, not water. Not water. A rock.
All right. First, you tell me one thing. Wood comes from plant.
Yes.
Okay. Plant was living thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So plant was living thing. In this question here, it is asking you natural thing that was once alive. Which one do you think it is? Water, wood, or rock?
Natural thing that was alive.
One was once alive.
Okay. What he's saying? What is alive?
Before it was alive, not now. Can it be water, wood, or rock?
I think water.
Water. What about wood? Wood is coming from plant.
Yes.
So wood was initially alive, right?
Yeah.
Because plant was living.
So,
but wood is now non-living. So can we match B to 2 or no?
B to 2. I don't know.
Think. Can you match? See, it is a tricky question. It is a very tricky question, students. This is not a simple question at all. And but let's try to make it simple. Let's try to think and analyze and not panic here. Let's rub the whole thing again. Okay, and let's start from the beginning on this question. Okay, yes, Avnish, can you please rub everything? Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. All right. So, see, all these three things, this is natural. Okay. Let's just talk again now. Okay, we will talk again.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it. We have to do it. So, this is non-living. We know.
Okay.
This is non-living. This I know.
Yes.
This is also non-living. I know. Right? Now, water is natural. Right?
Yes.
Wood is man-made.
Yes.
Okay. And rock is natural. Okay?
Yes.
Alright. Now
what?
Okay.
So?
No, here they are referring wood also to natural. Wood. Let us just check 1 second. Can we say that wood is natural? Wood is a natural material. My mistake, students. Let me just clear this up for you. This is also natural. Alright. This is a non-living thing, Avnish. And this is also natural. Alright.
Yes.
Okay. Why is this natural? Because it is growing on the trees. Okay. How do we get wood? Basically, we get wood from the trees. Okay. When we cut down trees, then we get the wood from the trunk of the tree. That is how generally we get the wood. Okay. So the thick trees are there, right? So from the trunk of the tree, that is from this portion, if we cut it down, this becomes wood later on. So we consider wood also as natural. Initially I was thinking that wood is basically man-made because trees cut down, but it is a wrong notion. I just checked, I just googled. So let's move on. Here, when we talk about natural things, we are saying water, wood, rock, all three are non-living and all three are natural. Alright. Now, tell me one thing, which is the natural thing that was once alive? What do you think will be the answer to this?
Natural thing
that was once alive. Water can come from anywhere, rain or something, okay, which is never alive.
Yes.
Wood can come from trees and rock can come from mountain. So, which one do you think was once alive?
Okay. One alive.
Water is coming from any source. There can be many sources. Wood comes from trees. And a rock is coming from mountains.
Yes.
So, which one is alive? Mountain or trees?
Alive. Mountain.
Huh?
Mountain.
Mountains are alive?
No.
Then?
Trees.
Trees are alive. So, natural things that was one alive, we can easily match with wood. Is it clear?
Yes.
So, you have to see B is 2. Okay.
Yes.
Now another thing we will see, non-living thing that cannot move on its own.
Yes.
And natural thing that was never alive. Alright. So here again there is a bit of I would say discussion we can do, that non-living thing that cannot move on its own is, it could be basically, it could be rock, because water we can consider that it is moving.
When we hold the glass, it moves. Yes.
Oh, if that is not what they are explaining here. See, you have seen waterfall or fountain.
Yes.
Yeah. So water is pouring, right?
Yes.
It is moving in a certain way.
Yeah.
Okay. So non-living thing that cannot move on its own should be what? I think so, rock. Right?
Yes.
So this A can be easily matched with 3. What about C? Non-living thing that was never alive. And then this is going to be matched with 1. So do you see this option anywhere? A3, B2, C1?
Okay, I'm going to check it. A3, found it. B2, no, can't find it. Let's see. Let's check in the starting one. This is not the answer. It is the C answer.
The C is the answer. So one thing that you have learned from here, Avnish, is very important thing that you have learned from here. It should be that wood, water and rock are all non-living things. And they are all natural things. Okay. Now wood was initially a living thing, because wood comes from
wood.
Wood is coming tree. So initially wood was a natural thing, living thing also. But once it becomes wood, then it becomes a natural non-living thing. Students, this was one of the tricky questions, so don't worry. The questions, all the questions are not like that. Okay. Now let's look at this question here. And what is this question that they're saying? Let us see. Let's sorry.
Okay, let's rub the
Yeah, you can rub the board, please, for me. Thank you. Choose the pencil option.
Pencil option?
Yeah.
I'm using the pencil option. Oh, yes. I need to choose eraser. Is that eraser? No,
It is there. Pencil.
Yeah.
This. I've chosen it for you. Please clean the board. Thank you very much, Avnish. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.
Next, let's go.
Alright, we'll go to the next question now.
What do you do?
Yeah, there is one more paper in between. Let me just go and
I think this is the last paper.
Okay. How are you finding the questions, Avnish? Do you think that they are interesting?
Yes, they are interesting.
They are interesting. They are very interesting. I can feel it.
But they are hard.
Yes, they are hard because you're doing it for the first time. So they are definitely hard.
Well, let's continue.
Alright. You just click it here. You just twist it here and then... Okay. Just give me a second here, children. I forgot to add one page here. So it is creating some sort of confusion. It will not create any confusion post this. Alright. Let me just bring these two pages side by side because the question is together itself. So I'll just try to merge it one on one.
How to do that?
Yeah, you can do it. Don't worry.
Yes, you can.
Yeah, you can. Alright. So this entire is a question here. Okay, this is a full question. So let's see. So they are now saying that look at the classification table. Alright. Okay, and they have given you a lot of things. Okay, now one by one we'll look into everything and we will.
It is things, living things and not living things. Okay, living thing, not living thing. We check.
Once alive. Now here, see, this category is non-living things, once alive, and let me just rearrange it for you. I have reduced it in size.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Alright. So let's just start to arrange the things and we will understand how and what they are asking for.
Yes.
All right. So, which of the following options identify X, Y, Z correctly? Okay. Now, once alive and never alive. I guess what they mean by here is man-made and natural things. I think that is what they are trying to say, that but we will look into it, the questions. This is not necessary that it is like that. That once alive and never alive does not mean like that. Let's see. So we start with first is orchid. So orchid is a flower, so it is definitely living thing. Okay. And once alive, let's see, once alive, steel ruler. No. Do you think steel ruler can be alive anytime?
Steel over.
Steel ruler.
Steel ruler.
Yeah, ruler. Scale.
Yes.
Yeah? Do you think
alive?
so?
No, he cannot be alive.
No, right?
No, that is not a living thing.
It's not alive. It's never alive. Okay, so then if it is not alive, then which category it should come? It should come here. Steel ruler, right? And plastic spoon. Plastic spoon can be alive anytime.
Plastic spoon.
Mm-hmm.
Spoon. Alive.
See, plastic is always chemical. Plastic can never be man-made. Can never be natural. Okay, so it can never be alive. It is always never alive. Remember that.
Okay.
Okay, so plastic is also never alive. All right.
Never alive.
Yeah. So now see here, where is plastic coming in Z?
Yes.
It is correct. Where is steel ruler coming?
Why?
Do you think it is correct?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
What does Y mean?
Why? Why it's saying
Once
alive.
Once alive. So you think steel ruler is under Y?
No, I cannot see once alive.
Do you think steel ruler is once alive? Do you think so? It is ever alive?
No.
No. So where is steel ruler coming? It is also coming in Z category. But what have they done here? They have written Y.
Yes.
So obviously A is not the answer. Then can you tell me now? You are going to tell me in B what is coming where? Plastic mug. Where will it come?
B. Plastic mug.
I told you plastic can never be alive, Agnish.
Yes.
Plastic can never be alive. So where will plastic come?
Plastic. Never alive.
Huh? Never alive. Very good.
And Z.
That is in Z. Perfect. Now where will paper cup come? Remember, paper can be alive at one time because paper is coming from tree.
Yeah. A cup is not a living thing.
I know that, but a cup is non-living thing. I agree with you. But should I put it here or should I put it in Z category?
I think it's in Y.
Y category. So this is correct, but this was wrong. Okay, what about wooden chair? Where will wooden chair come?
Wooden chair.
Remember, wood can be living because wood comes from plant, so it is living.
Yes, it's correct.
No, where should it be, in X, Y, or Z?
Never alive.
Never alive. Do you think wood was never alive?
No.
Once it was alive.
Yes.
So where should it come?
Once alive.
Once alive. So even wooden chair is in the wrong category. So this cannot be our answer. Let's see the next option.
C1. Floor.
Flour. Flour.
Oh, flour.
It is flour. Flour means atta. We eat na flour. Flour is atta. Atta comes from plants. So again, flour where they have put in the X category.
Yes.
It is correct because flour, that atta we are making, is it living thing? No. But it is not living thing. But flour is coming from where? From plant. So should it be in the Y category or Z category?
Y.
Perfect. It should be in the Y. So anyway, they have written this wrong here. Dolphin is what? Dolphin is?
Dolphin. He can swim.
Yeah.
That means he is
X, Y or Z?
X, Y or Y.
Once alive. Is it so you are saying dolphin is in the non-living thing? Do you think dolphin is non-living?
No.
Dolphin is what?
Living thing.
Living thing.
And he can breathe.
It can be. So it should be in the X category. What about stone?
Stone is a non-living thing.
Non-living thing, I agree. So is it Y or Z?
Y. Then it's Z.
Z. It should be Z. So this is in the correct category, but these two are wrong. So this also cannot be our answer. Let's check in the next option. Lizard.
Lizard.
Lizard will be what? In the X category, Y category, or Z category?
X.
X category. Very good. So this is correct. Wooden chair.
It's living thing.
It's living thing?
Yes. Yes.
It once living.
Yeah,
so should it be X, Y, or Z? What should it be?
Y.
Y. Very good. What about golden earrings? Gold earrings?
Not living thing.
Non living things. Should it be X, Y, or Z category?
X, Y,
Z. Z. So obviously, what is your answer? D is your answer. All right. Interesting question. Please rub the whiteboard.
Give me the. Okay. That's that thing. Okay.
Thank you, Avnish, for helping me in the class. I really appreciate it. All right. So we are going to do till question 20. So we have 17, 18, 19, and 20. 4 more questions to go.
4 more?
Yes.
Oh,
4 more questions.
Yes.
And these are getting interesting, I think so. Yeah, I think you're getting the hang of it now. So these are some amazing questions, students, you all can do. Alright, can you please read the question for me?
Okay, let's do. Each of the following
observation
tell us what living things can do which of the following have been wrongly paired.
Okay. Which of the following have been wrongly paired? Okay, so something has been wrongly paired. So should we check?
Yes.
Alright, can you read the first observation?
Okay. A rabbit gives
birth.
Okay.
And it says living things can grow. So do you think giving birth is growing? Do you think so? Giving birth to the same kind is growing?
Yes.
Okay. Or did I explain to you that growing is that you grow in size, in age? So what is giving birth means? Giving birth is growing or reproduction or reproduce? Reproduction. So obviously option number 1 is wrongly paired.
Yes, it's wrong.
It's wrong, right? What should be written here instead of growing? It should have been written reproduce. Right?
Yes.
Okay. The next one is a caterpillar turns into a pupa and then turns into a butterfly. See, what they are trying to tell you here, Avnish, is that there is one caterpillar.
Yes.
Okay, and it's growing.
Yes.
It's first growing into a pupa and then it is growing into a butterfly.
Yes.
So, do you think what is the caterpillar doing there? Growing, reproducing, or what? Growing. So, but they have written reproduce. Is it correct or wrong?
It's wrong.
It's wrong. So, obviously, the option number 2 is also wrong. Can you put one cross there? All right. A bee flies from one flower to another, and they are saying it's move. It's correct. Move.
Yes, it's move.
Yeah, it's move. It's right.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you please read the last one? A leaf.
I know.
Yeah.
A leaf
withers
and turn brown. So.
And then they have written die.
Die. Where is die? Oh, die. Yes, die.
So do you think they have matched it correctly?
No.
Okay, but I remember I told you once, you asked me why is the leaf turning brown, then I told you because it is dead.
Yes, it's correct.
So, it is correct. So, which are the 2 options that are wrong here, Avnish?
I don't know.
We have already marked the wrong ones. Which are the wrong ones?
A rabbit gives birth.
Yes, so which is option 1?
Yes.
And which other option is wrong?
A capital turn into
pupa
and then
into
a butterfly.
So this is also wrong option. So option 1 and 2 both are wrong. Yes. So which is the correct option there? A, B, C or D?
C. No, not C. C. Yes, C. C and D.
Which is the correct answer?
Oh, I need to find inside it.
Yes, A, B, C or D.
I am finding already.
Yeah, sure. Take your time.
1, 4, no. 1, 3. I can't find it. I can't see it.
These are the options.
What? I know that these are the ones. Options.
Yes.
Only one, only one, no. Only one, only four, no. Only one, only two, no.
Which are the two wrong options that you have selected, Avnish?
Two wrong.
Yes.
Look, A and B.
A and B.
What? 1 and 2.
1 and 2. Very good. You have selected option 1 and 2. So where are you seeing 1 and 2?
B.
Yes. Option B is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. Alright. Mala.
Mala keeps
Kept.
kept two birds.
Two rabbits.
Rabbits under different
Conditions.
conditions as shown below. Covering with holes, glass box covered with holes, carrot, and rabbit.
What are you reading?
Then this is the one.
No, don't need to read those things. Read the question. Which rabbit
Which rabbit? Where is it? Which rabbit?
will not survive?
Yes.
Here. Which rabbit will not survive after 1 week? Which one do you think will not survive after 1 week?
Not survive.
Which one will die?
He will die.
Which one? Please read it out. Now it is rabbit P or rabbit Q.
P. That he has only one fruit.
And he does not have?
No fruits.
He has no water. Food he has, but he has no
Water.
So which one is the right option?
P.
No, that is right. Rabbit P is right. But which ABCD, which option you will choose? Option A says rabbit P because it did not get any air.
Yeah.
Or rabbit Q because it did not get any air. Rabbit P because it did not get any water. Or rabbit Q because it could not move about.
The C answer is
Perfect, Avnish. Perfect. You can put a tick if you want to there. You can try to put a tick there. Yeah, that's fine.
Let's see. Next.
Now,
This is the last one.
yes, these two questions are the last one. We are coming to the end of our session.
This is 19 one.
Both the questions are there, 19th and 20th. It is related to the same experiment.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, let's see about what we have.
Yeah. So, let's try to read it.
It's the same one, the rabbit one.
Just before I start this question, Avnish, I would also like you to understand one thing, that there are three things which are very important for our life.
Yeah.
That is food, air and water.
Yes.
Alright. So if any one thing is missing, we will not be able to survive. Alright. So can we start here now with the question?
Let's start.
Yeah. The diagram shows 4 rats kept in 4 different containers.
Okay.
They are left untouched for 2 weeks.
Yes.
Study the diagram and answer the following questions.
But who's dead? That's the answer.
No, the first question is, which rat is likely to live for the longest?
Who is the longest one and who can survive?
Yes. See, please see the picture carefully. Here there is airtight container. Okay?
And
there is no air coming inside.
You can't.
No. And here there is container with holes, container with holes and container with holes. So which one do you think is the right answer?
The right answer I think. Where are I going?
Nowhere. I'm just here, just closing the door.
Okay.
Yes.
I think it's B.
It's B.
Rat 2. That's a container with holes. He has
Yes.
one hole, and if he has hole, but he has only water, and
Rat 4 has
only one
biscuit.
Then he is the answer.
So rat 2, you are saying it's the right answer.
He has air. and water
Mm-hmm.
and biscuit.
Food. Perfect answer. Very good. Right. And we are going to go with the last question. Which rat is likely to live for the shortest time?
Like the smallest time. The smallest time, I'll tell you. It is the...
Be very careful here. Remember that this is airtight container. Means no air is going to come in this. There is holes in the rat 2. There are holes in the rat 3. And there are holes in the rat 4. But in rat 1, the container is an airtight container.
So I think so it's this one.
Which one is that? Rat? Can you explain why? Why rat one?
No air.
Correct. No air will come in. So
But he can eat.
yeah, but there is no air.
And if air come, everything come, then he will survive.
He will survive. Otherwise, if there is no air, then he will
Not survive.
Right. So both the answers are correct. So here we are going to end the session. And Avnish, wonderful performance by you. Well done. I think a few questions were difficult, but I think some of them were easy as well. What do you think, so?
I think this one will be even.
Yes. So let's summarize some learnings here.
Yes.
The first thing that you have learned here today is that,
I'll tell you why.
yes,
We need water and food and air
to live.
to live.
Anything new other than this that you have learned today? Things can be divided into two categories:
Yes.
living and non-living.
Living, yes.
Right?
Yes.
All right. And I think that's it to sum it up, right? All right. Thank you very much, everybody who stayed with us. And in the next session, you can expect that we will be going through the chapter plants, and we are following the NSO Olympiad workbook, Science Olympiad book 2020 to 21. It is the question paper. These our papers are from there. All right. And thank you very much.